As a Swiss freelancer, I use Magic Heidi to manage my expenses and do my accounting in general, and today I will show you how to do it. So Magic Heidi simply allows you to take a photo or a PDF of a receipt and add it to the app as an expense. So for example, if I'm in my expenses here and I now click on plus and there, I see that I can add a new expense. So for instance, I've added a file. I can choose to take a photo or a document. And so in the documents, let's take, for example, a recent receipt and select it. Automatically, Magic Heidi will scan the file to understand what the price is, when it was issued, and what it is about. And so there we see gardening expenses with test company, LLC, the price, etc. I still need to modify the category because obviously the categories are a bit wrong. So let's say garden work, and I can choose how I paid. So we can say cash and finish.
And so the file is saved and my expense is there. On the phone, it works the same. You can simply click plus here.
Add a photo from your gallery, for example. Or with a new document, you can also use your camera. And you can also, and I'll show you this, if you go directly into your photos, for example, click here and then say Magic Heidi, and the file will automatically be sent to Magic Heidi and scanned. In this case, it's an image of flowers, so it won't be able to do much. So things will probably remain empty, but you get the idea, and then the file would be there ready to be scanned. So it stayed empty because it couldn't scan anything. Then in the statistics, you can see all your expenses, you can see the categories. So now if we go into garden work, we can suddenly see the expense I created. You can see this by year, etc. And above all, you can export your data to then send this to your fiduciary or directly to your taxes or the tax return application you use. There you go. So that gives me a good idea of how to manage your expenses. You can then find all your expenses here. For example, select by a certain category. I hope this was helpful, and I wish you a great day.